Hey Trox stars, welcome back to Trox TV. This week, I'm going to show you how to build something that you might have seen floating around on our website that we haven't quite shared how to make. It's Frank the T Rox. We're going to build it out of these tetras and octas, and it requires just under 100 Troxes, which is pretty easy. You can just get an apprentice kit and a master crafter kit to build your own. So grab your blue and white Troxes, or whatever color you want to make your T Rox, and we'll construct a T Rox together. So the way we start is by building his legs. His legs are really sturdy and strong. They require 2 tetras and 1 octa, and this will be his left leg. And because I'm building a little quicker, I'm not locking in the tabs, but you'll want to make sure you lock in the tabs to make it really sturdy. So there's our left leg. On our right leg, I'm going to do the same. Tetra, octa, and another tetra onto this face. It's a little bit different. That would be too sharp of a leg. Alright, so I've got our 2 legs for Frank. Alright, so now we've got 2 legs and a belly. Let's build a little bit higher and then start to add his tail. The tail is made entirely out of tetras, and we link them together like this, and these 2 tetras will fit right between these 2 octas and back to make a really sturdy abdomen. I think that's right. I'm using my technique from Tips and Tricks of just gently wiggling them together to get these to lock nice and sturdy. Okay, so we're starting to come together. I can lengthen his tail by adding some more tetras and placing them right here off the back. Good. So now it looks like we're missing the top. So we gotta attach his head to his neck. We'll do that with the white facing down. Whoop. You can see without the locks holding, it's a little bit finicky. Alright, and so what's Frank missing? His arms. Alright, so the arms are going to be 2 tetras. Pretty good. And let me get that tail on there. And then this is my favorite step. So this looks pretty good. Looks like a T Rox to me. However, there's one more step, and this is my favorite, which to make the T Rex claws, we just unhook one of the Troxes' arms. And then on the other side, one of the other Troxes' arms. And now we've got Frank the T Rox. Show us your Frank the T Roxes and choose some cool new colors. Mix and match them any way you like. Be sure to join us next week here on Trox TV And if you haven't already, subscribe down below.